If you are seeing TikTok videos that you are not interested in, the good news is that TikTok's algorithm can be influenced to show you content that aligns more closely with your preferences. So here is how you can stop seeing unwanted videos and make your feed more tailored to your taste. Now let's go to the For You page and look for the video that you are not interested in. When you come across a video you are not interested in, tap and hold on the video. A menu will pop up, and in menu you will see an option that says Not Interested. Now simply tap on the Not Interested and TikTok will try to avoid showing similar content in the future. TikTok allows you to mark videos you don't like, which will help the algorithm learn your preferences. Now, also TikTok's algorithm is highly based on user interactions. Don't like the video you see which you are not interested in. Simply try tapping the Not Interested option. Now, the other option is to block the user. If you don't find a specific user relevant, then you can mute or block them. Simply go to their profile, tap on the share icon available, and then tap on the block. This will prevent their content from showing up in your feed altogether. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.